Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we'll learn trigonometry, exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4. In that first problem we'll see, first one. So first one what they are given is evaluate the following. So in that first sub problem, that is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So this is the given problem. Now we will see how to solve this. So evaluate means we have to simplify this. Okay? Yes. Now observe here. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta, that is the given. Okay. Now observe this 1 plus tan theta. How to write tan theta? Tan theta we can write like this: sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta 1 by cos theta we can write. So I wrote tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, secant theta as 1 by cos theta. In the same way, this also we need to convert. 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta is written as 1 by sin theta. Okay, that is second step. In third step what we will do, we write this 1 as 1 by 1 and here also 1 as 1 by 1, and now we will take the LCM for the denominators. 1 cos theta, cos theta. These three, if you take LCM, what is the answer? We will get cos theta as LCM. Cos theta as LCM. Okay? Yes. Now in the numerators what we will get? In the numerator what we will get? That how to find, I will explain here. So beside this I will write that how to get that numerators. So first fraction is what? 1 by 1. Take here 1 by 1, and that 1 by 1 you multiply with LCM. 1 cancel, remaining what is the answer? Cos theta. So that cos theta you write it here. That's it. Next what we have? Plus sign. Write plus sign here. Again this is the same process you repeat. Next fraction is what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta and multiply with again LCM cos theta. Cos theta cancel. What is the answer? Sin theta. That sin theta, write it here. Plus. Next third fraction what we have? We have 1 by cos theta. Multiply with cos theta, LCM. Cancel, answer is 1. So that 1 you write here. So this one we got. So first one we simplified, we got this answer. Second one also we need to simplify like that only. For second one, what is the LCM? 1 sin theta, LCM will be sin theta. In the numerators, what are the values? The same steps we repeated. No, the same steps should be repeated. Okay, that also I will write. What is the first fraction? 1 by 1 into multiply with LCM sin theta. 1 cancel. Answer sin theta. So the sin theta right here. First one is sin theta. Next symbol plus. Second fraction cos theta by sin theta. Multiply with LCM sin theta. Sin theta cancel. What is the answer? Cos theta. Right here. Next sign minus. Third fraction 1 by sin theta into LCM sin theta. Cancel. Answer 1. So 1 you write here. That's it. So that is the simplification of taking LCM. Okay. Next step. So in the next step, what we have to do? We will multiply numerators and multiply denominators. Denominators you multiply. What is the answer? Cos theta into sin theta into sin theta. Multiply numerators. So if I multiply numerators, we will get sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. So here I wrote sin theta the starting. Next I wrote cos theta. So we can write like this. No problem. Okay. Here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. Now observe the numerators. Observe numerators. We have one formula. It is looking like some formula. Sin theta plus cos theta. This one you take it as A. And 1 you take it as B. Sin theta cos theta A, 1 B. Sin theta cos theta take it as A and 1 as B. So it is looking like A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B. Answer is A square minus B square. So that formula, this formula we have to apply for the numerators. What is A? A square, no. Answer is A square. A square means what? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. B square, 1 square. Okay. So the next step you will write that one. A plus B, A minus B. Answer A square. A square means sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus B square. B means what? 1. So 1 square. Denominator write as it is. That is cos theta into sin theta. Next step. In the next step we need to expand this numerator. Numerator sin theta plus cos theta whole square we have, no? That is looking like some formula. What formula we have to use there? The formula is A plus B whole square formula. That is A square plus B square plus 2AB. That formula we have to use. What is A? Sin theta is A. What is B? Cos theta is B. So first one is A square. A square means what? sine square theta plus b square, b means what, cos, so cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 into a means sine theta, b means cos theta. So formula we applied, we wrote this. Next what we have, minus 1 square 1 divided by denominator same, cos theta into sin theta, that is equals to. Now observe this, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is one trigonometric identity. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1, so write 1 here, plus 2 sin theta cos theta as it is, minus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. This answer, no, sin square theta plus cos square theta, I wrote 1. Why? Because there is one identity, plus 2 sin theta cos theta, as I wrote as it is, I wrote here, minus 1 also I wrote. Now you see, observe, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remaining 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. This both we can cancel, sin theta into cos theta, and here cos theta into sin theta we can cancel, both are same only. Okay, so finally the result is what? Finally the result is 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta cancelled, so 2 will be remaining here, that's it. So carefully go through this one by one, step by step we need to solve this. Okay, thank you.